Welcome back to Kanye's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got some crab cakes. Now let's get to it. So we're gonna start off with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo here. I'm working with 16 ounces of meat. So if you have 8, just use about 1 or 2. Then I have 1 egg yolk, some lemon zest, and then half a lemon for some lemon juice. Make sure you take the seeds out. You don't want seeds in your mixture. Then some Creole seasoning. About a teaspoon of all these seasonings as well. Some cayenne pepper. And some Old Bay. I use a little more seasoning because, like I said, I use a lot of meat. And a little Dijon mustard. Then we're going to give that a nice little mix. So now it's time to add the crab meat here. I got about 16 ounces of crab meat. Now I recommend getting lump crab, store run out, so I had to settle for claw meat, but it's still fine, still tastes like crab. So you want to get this nice and mixed in. If your mixture is a little bit too dry, you can add a little bit more mayo in there as well. Now it's time to add the breadcrumbs. I got about a cup here, and this is to help the mixture really stick, let it really be cohesive, builds that cohesion that you need, especially if you want to make crab cakes out of this. So, just keep adding the breadcrumb till you get the nice texture you want. Now we got some garlic powder and some onion powder. We gotta get our seasonings in, gotta get the seasonings in. Get that nice and mixed in. Now we're gonna get some oil in the pan. I use grapeseed oil. You can use vegetable oil too, anything with a high smoke point. Now forming these crab cakes by hand is pretty easy. Now we're going to place them in. Once you place them in the pan, you don't want to move them so they can have a nice, good sear. And you can't forget to throw in the butter in there, Gotta get some butter when you're cooking these up. Add a little bit more flavor to it. So after a few minutes, they should be ready to flip. You can lift it up just a little bit to check so you don't flip it too early. And after a couple more minutes, they should be good to go. Ooh wee! Look at that. That sear is, oh my goodness, that's something special right there. I know you saw them crab cakes. They was looking mighty delicious. So, previous recipe, I made some crab cake stuffed salmon. End up having a little more crab cake mix left. So, get a 2-for-1 special. So now it's time to taste the crab cakes. Oh man, they look so good too. They look so, just look at that. You see that? Look at that. Ooh, product showcase right there. And also got a little garlic butter cream sauce on top too. So see what it do, baby. Oh man. Oh my goodness. And that thing got a good sear on top. A nice inside, just, oh my god. I think crab is honestly the best seafood you can taste, you can eat, anything you can have. This is I need to start using lump crab, claw crab, any type of crab meat more often. I'm telling y'all, this is a simple simple recipe. So just try it out and let me know what you think. All right, so if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode. Be out.